It's been a couple of years that we have been doing this development, and finally seeing the system in action in its final home in London, it's the best feeling. Another thing that I feel really good about is the fact that our operators in the UK are well trained and ready and comfortable with taking this system around to different locations. And as we carry out field trials, our team, our operators, everybody will learn more about the needs of each operation. Obviously, the data that we are collecting during and at the end of each trial will help us identify areas of improvement.
I think there'll be a real respect for the technology. I think moving away from the more traditional methods, I think it's a fantastic piece of equipment. We're trying to educate not just TfL but local authorities about the ways in which we can reduce sort of the impact of roadworks, the noise, the pollution, and I feel like RRES really just encompasses all of that.
When you look at RRES as a complete package, there's real value in being able to sense what's under the ground, being a wee bit more protective with the assets that's there, being able to excavate more smarter, and more efficiently. We've had some good feedback today and over the past couple of months from Ofgem, who have supported the project, and also from Transport for London, who are starting to support development of some of the subsystems as well. And I think anyone who's seen the demonstration today will agree, longer term there's real value in there for SGN and our stakeholders.
RRES is really the pinnacle technology of a bigger keyhole strategy that we have. Collaboration is everything. I want to make sure that RRES is as cross-industry and as cross-bodies and groups as it can be. I think it answers a lot of the burning questions around how do we work more environmentally friendly, how do we work safer, how do we work more efficiently. The thing I like most about RRES, and the obvious part, is the arm. The idea that we brought that robotic arm out of a factory situation, made it mobile, and it still understands where in space it's operating is pretty awesome. And I think anybody that wants to come and see it will quickly recognise quite how beautiful it is, that movement of the arm, and quite how much we're going to be able to do with it in a really, really precise way.
It's been 3 years maybe since I've been working on this project with RRES, and I've seen it develop from its concept, from alpha, beta, gamma testing, and it's fantastic to see it finally being piloted today.